Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word pupat. Pupate. Pupates. Pupates. Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The caterpillar pupates in a cocoon before emerging as a butterfly. Pupates refers to the process where an insect, like a caterpillar, forms a pupa or chrysalis to undergo metamorphosis before emerging as an adult insect. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.